me, I'm standing on my head, drinking from a keg, sniffing meth, smoking cigarettes until I'm dead. Again, listen to me like you're going deaf. You ain't even write your name down, I passed the test. Aced it with the plus in the back gracefully. No white blood cells, HIV patiently. I need a toilet bowl, I think I'm number 2 in it. Shit, piss and drooling, coughing, coming, puking on a bitch. I like the song, I like to move it, move it. I like your mom too, sometimes we even dance to it, move it, move it. Booming, booming, now I'm saying wayo, wayo. It's out here, brothers, we eating eggs, yo, with mayo. That's a salad, bitch, in case you didn't know. You need a beat to flow? Holla at me, bro. Egg salad again? In a week or so. I eat it twice a week, bitch, I need the protein. Rapping by myself, I'm in a bad mood. Fuck yourself, and fuck iTunes. Stand your boombox, cassette player. It's 1992, cause I'm a percolator. You don't know me, bitch. You don't know my dad. You don't know my mom's, and I'm fucking glad. I ain't leaving yet, I'll be right back. Ain't nothing major, cause I'ma see you later. Look at you, you're falling on the ground. Vader got the sound, play it loud, turn it up, now it is allowed. Underpants are turning brown from the waist down. Every day's a celebration, dress up as a fucking clown. Have your birthday early, eat your cake now. Don't eat the steaks they make, get Charlie Brown's, MSG included. They don't leave it out, it ain't gluten free, cause they don't take it out. Maybe you might like your chicken overpriced with a side of rice, $14.95. That's why they going out of business. They might die if you feed your kids this shit. Oh, no. They say it's homemade, but I know it fuck it isn't. It's pre-prepared, I know because I work there. In the kitchen, scratching my pubic hair. Think about that shit next time you get the chicken, bitch. Another stupid chorus, another stupid song. Maybe you'll listen, maybe I'm fucking wrong. I got a pickup truck, $10 of gas. You can point and laugh, cause I'm a big white trash. Comic books, I read them in my room. Green Lantern, he just made a movie too. Fuck Ryan Reynolds, what the fuck does he know? I'll kick his ass, cause I'm a superhero. I need a sugar rush, I need a coffee high. I gets it done, bitch, like I don't need to try. Fractional math, I'll take a one-on-one. I keep a taser in my pocket like a Pokemon. Knuckle twins, bitch, whichever one you want. I'll knock you down with the weaker one just for fun. I gotta take the win, so you're the loser, son. If you got a twin, then you're the stupid one. I got a royal flush, check out the royal suits. Full House was a wholesome sitcom that I used to view. It had some funny jokes, but it taught morals too. I had a crush on DJ Tanner back in '92. Danny ran the news and Joe and Jesse ran it too. Becky had the twins and an attic that they moved into. Stephanie's punchline was how rude, it wasn't cool. Don't let Steve in the fridge, he'll eat all the food, dude. Secret of the ooze, turtles travel time. I like Vanilla Ice, he taught me how to rhyme. Better late than never, pick a track, sir. Notebook full of lyrics, cause I'm a fake ass rap. Ain't got Showtime, not even HBO. I don't give a fuck, I download their shows. Porn chicks, keep making porn vids. And I keep buying them shits, cause I'm a masturbator.
Yeah, word up, it's right Vader and this motherfucker doing this shit, coming correcting your motherfucking ass. Now what? What are you gonna do? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna hide? Cause I'm coming for some revenge.